Good evening. Now we will discuss about scan line method for hidden surface removal, right? So let's see what is scan line method. Firstly, it is an image space method, means here we define an image in the form of collection of pixels. Secondly, it is an extension of 2D polygon filling algorithm, right? So to perform scan line method operation, 3 tables are required. First is edge table, which contains the information of each edge. Now let's see what is in the edge table. The first value is x, which defines the x value for y minimum value in the polygon, right? Next is y max. We have selected x value for y min value and y max for that y min value will be written here. Next is delta x, that is 1 by m, slope 1 upon slope, and next is id, that is id of the polygon of which this edge is the part, right? So means this edge is the part of that polygon whose id is given here, right? Next is polygon table. It contains the information of polygon. First is id. If the system defines id for polygons, then we will write the id for that polygon here. Polygon coefficients. If there are some coefficients of the polygon that are defining polygon, we will write here. Next is shading, if shading is required or not. If it is required, then we will write its description here. In or out means whether we will consider that polygon, then it will be in, or otherwise it will be out, means 0, right? Third table is active edge table. It contains the edges that are intersected through the scan line. So let's understand it through example. Suppose this is the figure. L1 and 2 are two scan lines which are passing through two polygons, right? So firstly we will see when L1 pass through the polygon, to which edges it is intersecting. You can see in the diagram here, L1 is intersecting AB. L1 is intersecting AB, similarly BC, similarly EH and EF. So I have written here that L1 intersects AB, BC, EH and EF. Next we will see L2 intersects polygon AD, then EH, then BC and then FG, right? So we can determine through this L2 intersecting which sides of the polygon. So we have it written here that AD, EH, BC and FG, right? So next is, now since we have evaluated the edges to which the scan line is intersecting, next we will see that what edges are part of the particular surface. So we have defined two surfaces here. First is S1 surface and second is S2 surface. S1 surface is of ABCD and S2 surface is of EFGH, right? So we will see that this surface will contain which edges. So firstly L1 edge. So we can see that when L1 is passing through the polygon, right, it is intersecting edges AB, BC, EH and EF. Then we can see that AB is the part of surface S1, right? Next is BC is the part of surface S1. We have to consider only up to this intersection point. So BC is the part of S1. Next EH, it is the part of S2, and similarly FG, it is the part of, EH, it is the part of S2. Similarly EF, it is a part of S2, right? So we have written here. Now you can see here that there is no overlapping of surfaces, means there is no edge which is covering both the surfaces, right? So next for L2. So let's determine the surface for L2 edges. AD is, we can clearly see that AD is the part of S1 surface. Next we will see that EH edge is the part of both S1 and S2. It is common between two, right? And next is BC. BC is also the part of S1 surface and S2 surface. So we have written here 2, where C is the common point between them, and FG is the part of S2 surface only, right? To find out, next we will see that which surface we have to consider if there are two surfaces for the single edge, right? So to find this, we will calculate the depth of the surfaces. If depth of S1 is less than S2, then in the case of EH we will select S1, and in the case of BC we will select S1, right? So you can see here that for EH, when there were two surfaces S1 and S2, but we will consider highlight S1 only. So in the case of EH, that portion of S2 is ignored. Similarly for BC, only S1 region is considered, S2 region is ignored, right? And for EH also, only S1 region is considered and S2 region is ignored. So final image would be like this. Thank you.